Key Tower is a prominent skyscraper located in downtown Cleveland, Ohio, USA. Standing at 947 feet, 289 meters tall, it is the tallest building in Ohio and the 39th tallest in the United States. Completed in 1991, Key Tower was designed by architect Cesar Pelli, renowned for his work on some of the world's most iconic buildings. The tower features 57 floors and offers a mix of office spaces, including the headquarters for Key Corp, one of the largest bank-based financial services companies in the US. The building's sleek, modern design is characterized by its granite facade and distinctive crown, which is illuminated at night, making it a notable feature of the Cleveland skyline. Key Tower's strategic location on Public Square provides stunning views of Lake Erie and the surrounding city. The building also houses the luxurious Cleveland Marriott Downtown Hotel, which occupies several floors and offers high-end amenities to guests. Key Tower is part of a complex that includes the Historic Society for Savings building, creating a blend of modern and classic architecture. It has become a symbol of Cleveland's economic growth and urban development, serving as a hub for business and commerce in the region. With its impressive height and architectural elegance, Key Tower remains a significant landmark and a point of pride for Cleveland residents.